On this episode, I'm going to show you how to make this gold-flecked granite necklace. I conditioned and rolled out this piece of gray granite clay and this piece of metallic gold clay on my clay conditioning machine to setting 3. I pressed the sheet of metallic gold clay into a push mold. Using my clay cutter, I cut paper-thin slices from the molded clay. I placed the slices on the granite sheet. I remold the metallic gold clay and cut a few more slices. I then roll out a sheet of black clay on the widest setting of my clay conditioning machine to use as a base. And as you can see, I got ahead of myself and cut a drop too soon. I fused the two sheets using my acrylic clay roller and place a sheet of plastic wrap over it before cutting. The plastic wrap creates the rounded edges I want on my drops. I cut drops with clay cutters. And because I'm still using my flimsy plastic wrap, I use tweezers to gently remove the cut pieces of plastic wrap. These are the finished drops that I will drill holes in and coat with diamond glaze. To finish the necklace, I used gold jump rings and a gold chain.